Avoid stepping into a great man's shoes. Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni. There is a quiet danger in walking where greatness once stood. When a great man departs, leaving behind a legacy carved in triumph, wisdom, and courage. The temptation to fill his shoes is strong. But greatness, my friends, cannot be borrowed. It cannot be worn like an old pair of boots, no matter how shining their polish or how firm their tread. To step into a great man's shoes is to invite comparison, to live beneath the shadows of a name that already conquered its moment in history, and that shadow, your own light may never rise. You become not a leader but an echo, not a creator but a continuation. The world does not need another version of greatness. It needs the next one. Every generation must build its own path. No rephrase, no, and the footprints of giants. The true measure of courage lies not in imitating greatness, but in daring to redefine it. Forge your own shoes, leave your own cracks, because history remembers not the ones who walk behind, it remembers those who walk beyond. Thank you for listening.